In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "sorry you're currently prevented from playing online multiplayer games" message in PalWorld. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So this message may be caused because of you're trying to load a previously saved game, or in other cases, new players are prevented from accessing the multiplayer mode. The reason for this error also is maybe you're running an older version of PalWorld and loading an outdated version of a game file. Also, network problems or server issues could also be likely cause of the issues. So to fix this, the first thing we can do is to first check the PalWorld server status. So you want to follow this link, Pocket Pair, and PalWorld on X or Twitter to see any updates. Also, you can join this Pocket Pair Discord channel to be aware of the server issues in PalWorld. Next thing you can do is to switch to a different connection. So changing the internet connection can also help get rid of this PalWorld message. So if on PC you want to test your network speed by using fast.com or speedtest.net by Ookla. So switch to Ethernet if you're using an Xbox and the device will automatically detect a connection. So the next thing we can do is to check for updates for the PalWorld application and the Xbox client. So for Xbox, you want to connect to the internet. Now press the Xbox button to open the guide. Select Profile and System, go to Settings, go to System, and go to Updates. So for Steam, it is automatic, but there are times that the updates are queued and waiting to be installed. So just head to your library section, check all of your games. Now select PalWorld and then select the Update button if available. The next thing we can do is to enable Xbox multiplayer option. So now press the Xbox guide button on the controller. Navigate to the Profile and System section and choose Settings. Now select Account Settings, Privacy and Online Safety, Xbox Privacy, View Details, and Customize. Now select the Communication and Multiplayer option, and you can join the multiplayer game section, switch the option to Allow. And the last thing we can do is to change the Xbox DNS and tagging settings. So from the Settings option in the Profile and System, head to General Settings section and select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, DNS Settings, and select Manual. Now choose your primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 8844. So this DNS is Google's DNS, and this is most stable DNS that we can use for our internet settings. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.